you got to show your parents that they can let go a little bit as well, and that they can trust you. So at the same time, parents, you let go a little bit and let them try the world by themselves. Agree. I have a mother who once told me that her son's taking drugs, and every time she comes into the house, he brings in the drugs. He's got siblings, and I said to her, okay, what are you doing about it? She goes, I don't know what to do. You know, the other day the dad wanted to call the police. I said, all right, have you tried this? Have you tried that? Have you tried speaking to organizations? Have you tried speaking to friends? Have you tried to place the rules? She says, we've done all of that, and now the son's doing it openly. I said, all right. In the end, after everything, I said, call the police. I said, but I can't put my son into this. I said, if you don't do that, your son is going to either lose his life, or he's going to get his siblings onto these drugs, or something worse is going to happen. So she did that. He ended up in prison for a little while, after a long time. He came out, they gave him rehab. We attached him to Muslim brothers in an organization, alhamdulillah. And after all that help, got married, and he settled his life, alhamdulillah. Sometimes parents do have to take strict measures under their roof and boundaries.